YouTube, what's good, y'all? Today I'm currently at the gun range. Never been there in my life, never shot a gun in my life. Yeah. Today is actually my birthday, so wish me a happy birthday in the comments. But I've never shot a gun in my life, so we're gonna see what it is. And yeah, get to it. Alright, we did the little waiver and stuff. I guess we just gonna come down here.
You guys shoot handguns?
No. Hey, bro.
You ready?
You turn safety off?
Doing it.
Counter RSO, lane 19 is clear. Orange side is clear.
That bitch do not pull.
One in there.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Bro, first time shooting. Decent shots. You put 3 in there?
Oh, I did not see that.
I can see.
I
It's
see
like
it, though.
you got 1 and 0.
Ooh. Yeah.
Did you put 3 in there?
Yeah.
So you put safety on?
Yeah, I put safety back on.
I was shooting it. Blood did not record the first shots. Low key sold me. But
Dad, you missed it.
we all hit like the same shots. Low key, like we got the same game. We think the sight is a little bit off, so that we gotta like go up a little bit. But he gonna record my next shots in a second. So you feel me?
Yeah.
We moved it back.
Huh?
Are you missing?
Oh.
Dude, when I shot it, it moved. Hey, let it go. Hold on, let go. Alright. Now you got it. Hold on, is he hitting a headshot?
That's what I was
Hold on,
thinking.
pull it up a little bit more. Is he hitting a headshot?
I might have missed one. Nah, I think this is one, and then these are the other ones.
The first times we was all right there.
Yeah, so this is it, and then these are.
Alright, so I'm gonna go for the
I was
head.
trying to aim right here.
I'm gonna get it right here. That's what it looked like. Yeah, it's rolling.
It was probably about right there.
Yeah, it's straight.
It's already recorded.
Yeah. You put 5?
Yeah.
You can record this. Putting 5 shots, that's 2. Damn, I'm losing aura. Oh, snap.
Yeah.
Am I wide? I'll check.
I'm trying to figure out who a better shot.
I know when we set it up before, it was all dramatic.
I feel like I hit 3 shots. I ain't gonna
You
hold
definitely did. You hit it.
Hold on, Chad. Not real deal?
That's what.
Real deal. You want another one?
Nice. That's
Like, we really didn't miss a body.
Nah, we really did. Yeah, that's early right
this
there.
headshot, that's me.
Yeah, that's you. I only had.
I was aiming here
these.
a little. I aimed right on it. It's got like a, you feel me?
Is it up or down?
I aimed a little bit and it went down.
You might as well just keep shooting on this, or do you want to switch?
I think preserve it a little bit or switch.
I don't know, because we only have 20 bullets. We can always buy more bullets, but we only have 20 bullets.
So what you want to do? Switch? I low key want to keep one, but yeah, let's blick it some.
Ain't nobody over here.
All right, y'all. First time shooting the blinks. Thought it was gonna have a lot more kickback. Really wasn't that bad. We shot one of y'all seen the thing that we shot. Now he's finna pick something out. I did pay like $90. I'm not gonna hold you, so. But what you got your wallet?
Yeah. Where's mine?
Cause I remember seeing. I don't know about your phone.
You remember seeing my wallet? The DDM4.
DDM4. They got the Hellcat. They got the 9. They got the Black 19. Remember what this one was called or no?
It's the info. It's the info. It had some more numbers on
Info
there.
A1? M4A1? Maybe.
Had me till
I'm finna shoot that. But
yeah.
you know what? If I eat real quick, what you aiming for? Go ahead and see the results.
Straight head shots.
Headshot.
Straight head shots. Dome piece.
I don't really know how to work this one. I wasn't listening to too much. But we're gonna see. That's mad far. Alright, that's smooth right there. Got the 10 meter, basically.
Yeah.
Hold on. This would be a feel different.
I'll have to try it. Well, let's see, when I do it, I make big batches, so I always double everything. Like this batch, I used 2 pounds of ground beef.
I feel like you would be like, oh,
Is it?
nah, it ain't heavy.
I just eat for like a week. If you double that
Safety still on?
Huh?
Safety still on? I don't know.
That's my problem, man. Yeah, that's
I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this nigga
5.7
fucked
is
up
a
the
really good
gun.
round.
He done jammed it. And he's trying to fix it. He's cooked. I'm not gonna lie
That's
to
probably
you,
the
bro.
only
He's
reason why I
cooked.
don't own one. The ammo's too
Genuinely
expensive.
cooked. So,
Because you were shooting the
and
Ruger
this
5.7,
nigga's scared
right?
to ask for some help.
When Ruger came out with 5.7, the only other person doing 5.7 was that
I don't
man.
know.
So there's a whole lot
You don't
cheaper
say
to buy
what's
that
up.
shit than you want.
Oh, shit. Now this is John Pack a punch.
I was just saying I'm rusty. I'm not hungry to see out here for good.
Same shit.
Yeah, basically.
He said he was aiming for the head.
He got him in his jaw. Got him in his jaw.
I actually started working here. I don't know I can pay for my shooting.
I ain't gonna lie. Shit too easy, bro.
Too easy.
Like,
Go back to 10 real quick. Where you was at. And then we gonna go to the end, I guess.
this shit too easy, bro. Like, why ends? This is why they running the world, fool.
Alright, bro.
Especially throw a switch on that.
But it's gonna be harder to control.
It's definitely gonna be hard.
So you took it.
Hold on. Back. Easy. Easy. Question, sir.
Yes, sir.
If a bullet is damaged like this, is that bad to shoot?
Uh,
I didn't want to.
no, you should be okay
Okay.
to shoot that one.
All right. I just wanted to make sure. He said I'm good to shoot this.
So boom. You can put it in and then what?
Yeah.
And
I
then
ain't gonna
cock
lie.
this.
Make sure it's not backwards. That's what I did. It's backwards.
Backward.
Pull it. All the way back. Come on. It's recording, right? Yeah.
Yeah. This has no. This feels like she
Counter lane 9 is clear.
This is a very, very small round.
Shit shot.
I'm aiming for the chest.
I hit him twice in the chest. 3 times in the chest. 4 times in the chest. 5 times in the chest. Okay. That was good hits.
Good aim.
That was good hits.
Good aim.
These are some all the way back full stops.
Smooth. Are you
I'm
trying
throw
to?
this in the fire?
Huh?
Next one. Since I did the last, I'm gonna do 6 this one.
Yeah.
The gun is basically the same as the last one. It had the same type of.
It's just a little lighter.
Yeah, I thought it had a little bit more kick, a little bit, but like it's the same. So basically,
Roger, lane 6.
Imagine getting one of these.
you're dead. I mean, look at the bullet. Show them the bullet.
This shit taking off a nigga. This shit
So on
taking
the
off a
tip of
nigga
it.
artery, fool. I ain't gonna lie.
Cooked.
It's taking off an artery.
But like
It's taking off a limb.
cooked. A limb. Now if it had like an artery or something. Cooked. Like I ain't gonna lie, my shot he's dead, bro. Your shot he might be dead too.
I think so, bro. Cause like I'm going through. I don't know.
Alright, you wanna go
These
to
are
the?
definitely kill
You wanna go
shots.
to the farthest?
Yeah.
Nah, that one. You're done.
Yeah, that's good.
But they not gonna be standing still though.
Nah, they not.
I think he baby. I don't know what he's doing.
You see that white line on the girl?
Yeah.
That's where I'm aiming for. Or not aiming for, but that's where it's at.
Okay, what are you aiming for though?
I'm gonna aim for the top of the head. So then, like this part, I'm gonna do like up here.
I bet. We gonna see.
Oh no.
Make sure it's all the way in there. Are you making sure it's all the way in there?
My cousin, he got an SA.
You do?
His daddy
I would
used
just
to
get 10 right here. 260.
I would definitely get like this right here. What was the one you might get today? You for real think
I think my dad got one of these. Something like that. Do they got the Uzi?
where?
I'm saying do they? I'm trying to see. No Drake, no micro Drakes. Am I chatting? Gen 5. I need to see the Gen 5. Okay. 23 Gen 5.
She can get you what?
PS90.
Mama wanna buy a gun. That's what we need it for, nigga, protection. I've been telling my the same thing.
But I feel like you, low key, I feel like you would just use it on a different excuse just to like pop a nigga, and then you gonna be cooked, bro.
What is that like?
Like I feel like you would get too angry. That's what I'm saying.
If somebody came after you, I ain't gonna. You don't gotta shoot. Hit him with the gun. You ain't gotta shoot him every time.
I mean, you could use it to scare somebody too, but like
I
still.
probably would be trying to scare somebody. I'm not buying right now. Like, ooh, I'm gonna point guns at people. Nigga, I just want protection.
I feel you. I wonder how it would feel because it's not like you got.
I'm pretty sure they did.